Good afternoon everybody and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean, a treat and a rinse. We have a patio clean to do today in Wellington, Somerset. A little walk through, you can see the patio is in need of a clean. It's not been cleaned since it's been laid, it's been down a number of years and we've got the usual build up of algae, moss and other nasties. As you can see, with all, some bits are worse than others. Little look at the before so we don't forget. And then let's not delay, let's get started. Right guys, this job is almost complete. Let's have a quick look at the before and after side by side. We've got the before coming up here, the after, as you can see, it's loads better, loads nicer. We'll have another walk through. This concrete slab, if you recall, was really green. Lots of algae growing. It'll pan round. Everywhere is so much nicer, so much fresher, so much brighter. Obviously there's still some standing water. Once that dries out, it'll look really nice and really clean. Let's have a look at the before and after side by side so we don't forget. Quick before. As you can see, loads better, loads nicer. Little look at the front. I didn't video the front, it was so small. Again, much better. This customer's kindly left us a review, so big thank you for that. As always, if you need our details, here they are. Do not hesitate to get in touch. Click the links to see more videos. As always, thank you for watching. we'll see you at the next job.